Hi, sixth graders. I'm going to go over today's lesson for Tuesday, August the 24th. It was really nice to see so many of you complete assignments yesterday. Keep in mind that you have a bell ringer, an exit ticket. You also have discussion questions and a slide on a slide deck to complete. I'm going to do hopefully a better job of getting these assignments to you today. So in continuing with our slide deck, you will have your recording on slide 2. On slide 3 is the date. On slide 4, we have our table of contents. On slide 5, this is your bell ringer. Make sure you click on the bell ringer form and it will take you to your bell ringer. Make sure you put your first and last name here, because there are several of you with the same name, so please indicate your last name as well. Also indicate which class period I have you. Here are the directions for the bell ringer, and then you have your 4 sentences that you need to choose the sentence that is written correctly. After you submit it, you will be able to see what the correct answer is and what the corrections are. On slide 6, we have our essential question. You don't have to do anything with this question, but just be aware of it, and we will discuss more about that. What can we learn from books about life and the world? Slide 7, you have your I can statements. I have not added any new I can statements today. I want you to be able to determine author's purpose and perspective, determine the point of view in the novel, analyze how sentences, chapters fit and contribute to the development of theme, characterization, setting, plot, and I can determine the theme. On slide 8, here's a list of your 5 spelling words that you need to know for this week, and then you also have your 10 vocabulary words. The prefix is post, so if you which means after. So if you post date something, it is after today's date. Postgraduate is after you've graduated, you go on to do something else. And then we'll go through some more of these tomorrow. Make sure you read the definitions and complete the document that I assigned on Google Classroom. Your skill, strategy, mini lesson slide. The academic vocabulary word is a review. It's still analyze, so you don't have to recopy this. This is a new picture. It's theme. It's another way to look at it to help you determine what the theme of the story is. So we've got the world, and we also have the novel. And parallel means that it runs side by side. When we determine the theme, we look at the big idea. What is the setting? Who are the characters? And what is the plot? And again, this is just another way of looking at theme. We have those 3 pillars, those 3 corners, and it becomes a convergence. The assignment, you need to go back to Google Classroom, but I have put this on your assignment here. So you will find your Chapter 7 discussion Jamboard here and the slide assignment here. So all you have to do is go back to this section and you'll find everything that you need for today in this area. And this is my period 4. And I've done the same thing for my other periods as well, 1, 2, and 3. So make sure you go back to this section, this topic, and find the assignments that you need to complete for today. On this assignment, you're going to be describing the events. Remember to type your name here, and then you're going to click on each one of these, and you're going to tell an exciting event, an interesting event, something that's mysterious, and something that's very calming. I do not expect you to have this completely finished after reading only one chapter. So this is something that you're going to add to as you continue reading the novel. On slide 14 is your exit ticket. You need to click here to access the Google form so that you can complete the exit ticket. Homework is to always read 20 minutes, and this can be your class novel, such as, whatever reading in class, you can count that toward your 20 minutes, or you can read the novel that you've chosen to read for my class for the project that you'll be completing next month. And then slide 16 is my contact information. If you have any questions, please contact me. If you would like to participate in a Google Meet, I will schedule those on Tuesday, today. We will begin with period 4 at 8:30, period 1 at 9, period 2 at 9:30, and period 3 at 10. So make sure you check Google Classroom for the Google Meet code, and we can connect then. If you have questions, please ask at that time. And as always, you may send me an email. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing all of you soon.